My mind told me that this is not the right time. I applauded for others, saw them winning, achieving greater heights, and I got lost in my own cocoon, overthinking, and in a way, I had stopped believing in my own potential. Both these factors made me weaker. The purpose of my life is to create a wow for everybody. To create a wow, I need to spread a lot of positivity and happiness. And I also learned that to win this battle of life, to win it with grace and valor, you need a healthy mind and a healthy body. But somehow, while I was taking my training sessions for long hours, I always used to think that health can be taken care at a leisure time. Why? Some things can be done later on at a later stage, but I never knew that time and tide wait for none. And this lockdown 2020 gave me enough time to reflect and learn from my own mistakes. So I asked myself, if not now, then when? This is the right time. This is the only time when I can take care of my own health, when I need to work on the things that I had not been able to from a long time. So please, my dear friends, stop procrastinating things. The only right time to do work is now. This is the best time. So never wait. Stop waiting. It is now or never. So please remember that you have to get up just now. You need to live this life fully, and it is only you who need to work on your own dreams. So tell yourself, if not now, then when?